Hey YouTube, it's Lewis with Rosebud's Travels, and today I'm going to show you how to put a bidet in your Casita travel trailer. We have a 2019 Spirit Deluxe. We have the plastic Thetford toilet, and the process to do this was Katie got her phone, took a picture of the label behind the toilet, got the model information, and we found out that if you go on Amazon and you put that information in, you find out that this manufacturer makes a bidet that will fit this toilet without any modification. And it fits the Thetford 5 and 6. And this one happens to be a Thetford 5. And so I'm going to show you the instructions. And this thing is supposed to have every part I need for the install. So we'll find out if that's the case. And so let's get started. I'm gonna get the instructions out and I'll show you what they are, and we'll go over them and we'll go from there. Okay, the instructions for the Thetford 5 are pretty simple. This is the entire instruction sheet for the Thetford 5. So it looks like it's a little hard to read on camera, but so what I'll do is I'll show you. Number one is turn off the water supply, flush the toilet, drain the line, place the bidet attachment on the toilet. And 2 is snap the stainless steel brackets onto the toilet and align the stainless steel bidet screw holes. Number 3 is fix the stainless steel brackets to the bidet with the short metal screws. And number 4 is install the adapter under the toilet, connect flexible hose from the T-adapter to the bidet, turn the water supply on, check for all connections and any leaks. That's basically it. So they provide this T thing that goes up to the back of your toilet, and then the water hose goes to your bidet. And they provide the sealant tape for those fittings to help make sure that they don't leak. So let's give that a try. So what we're going to do, I've already wiped down the toilet top to make sure where you're putting the bidet, it's all clean and everything. We put in a turn-off valve on ours. So I'm going to turn this off. So it's now off. I'm going to flush the potty. That's going to get the water out of the line. So we've done that. And so now we're going to go ahead and do those first few things. We're going to place the bidet on here, and we're going to put on the stainless steel brackets. So let's do that. Okay, I placed the bidet so it's kind of centered. Yeah, I basically centered it on the toilet, and then these stainless steel clips, there's a thin plastic ledge and they clip on there, go over these screw holes, and you put in these short Phillips head screws that they provide, and you put those in to hold it in place. So I'm going to do that now. I don't think I can hold the camera and do that at the same time. So I'm just gonna put those 4 little screws in and hold it. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I put the 4 screws in, and it is helpful if you pull this just a hair forward so you can get this screw in here flat, because it's got a big head. So if you pull it slightly toward the front of the toilet, that helps, because it'll allow you to get that head flat. It needs to go flat so it doesn't bind when you're putting the lid down. The position I had it in was actually pretty good. If I got it to go where it fits really pretty good. It has a very slight bind, but it's okay. That's where that actually is designed to go. So what I'm going to do now is, this is mounted, and what you see is the water connection, and I got to undo that, and it goes to a connection right there. And so I got to undo that. I've turned off the water. I'm going to get a towel so I can dry any water that drips. And I'm going to take that off. And then the T piece that they provide has to be put on with a washer, which I'm going to do. And then the hose gets hooked up to supply the water for the bidet. So that's next. They provide a little washer that you put inside of this fitting to make it watertight. And then there's a washer that's in that line because it's a PEX line, and you need to reuse that washer on here. Well, I turned on the water. I used the same fitting that was on there on that PEX line. I just screwed it to that T that they provided, and then you screw the new fitting with the washer to the toilet, and then you hook the hose to the T, and you hook the other side to the bidet, and it provides it with the water, and it does work. I've tested it a little, and it actually sprays water. So that's how you put a bidet in a Casita travel trailer.